Hey guys, everything like Internet 2 here, and today this is going to be mini fire alarm system test 10. I'm with
Party! And Fire Guy 19, aka Jared Thompson.
So let's get started. Okay, so not much, some changes have been made on the system, but not a whole lot. We got the panel, which is somewhat open, but there it is. Same as usual. Key here, the detectors reset switch. Okay, we got 270 SPO. New on the system, we have a ESC Genesis a G1 RF, that's CVM, which is set through 30 candela. So yeah, the 2151 with the B112 LP base, and the Wheelock SCR, which is still there. So let's get started. Let's silence that. That wasn't too loud. Yeah, it was not.
I can't even hear it.
Yeah.
I can't even hear it on my end.
Yeah, it's not very loud. So reset. Now we'll do the 2151, the B112. So here we go. Okay. Give it a silence.
What code is it? I can't hear
It's
it.
continuous.
Yeah.
You'll probably hear when the video comes up on YouTube anyway. But there it is. We're all silence now. You can see. Okay, we're going to reset the detector. Okay, we'll put the key away. And we'll give it a reset. So that's it, guys. That was mini system test 10. Or mini fire alarm system test 10. So yeah, I guys liked it.
Good. That's good. I liked it. It's very small, but very good mini.
Yes.
Oh my God, I can't talk. Very good mini. All I saw was a light show, so. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, it's weird. But anyway, there it is, guys. Hope you guys liked it.